Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change the content on your TikTok For You page. If you open the TikTok app and see content that feels irrelevant or boring, follow these steps to reset your For You page and personalize it to your liking. The first step is to open the TikTok app, then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down and find the option called Content Preferences. Here, tap on Refresh Your For You feed. This will reset your For You page and restart TikTok's algorithm, so you'll start seeing some general popular videos that TikTok thinks you might enjoy. After you reset your feed, the next step is to personalize it. The best way to do this is by interacting with the videos you like. For example, if you're into some specific kind of videos, make sure you like a few of them, leave comments, and even search for related content in the search bar. The more you interact with videos that interest you, the more TikTok will learn and show you similar content. The algorithm will continuously adapt based on your interactions, such as what you like, comment on, or search for. The more you engage, the more personalized your For You page will become over time. And that's how you can change the content you see on TikTok. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.